Yo, what's good, y'all boys? It's your boy Rio, aka Lambo. Feel me? I know y'all been waiting for another video for like 6-7 months. You feel me? I ain't been doing shit but playing Marvel Rivals and you feel me, getting fat. Like, I know y'all like, damn, bro. Last time I seen you, bro, you was like 60-70 pounds lighter. Yeah, bro. I got fat. But look though, don't talk shit in the comments though, cause look, I could lose weight, but you can't get cute. Type shit. Alright, so come on. So today, we got a couple things to do today. Feel me? Number one, I gotta install these RGB strip lights. And number two, I gotta get started on my star lights. Alright? Okay, come walk with me. I know y'all like, damn, bro, you had this car for how many months? You ain't do no video yet on your shit, bro? Like, chill, bro. Feel me? I gotta break out of that laziness, bro. I gotta break out of that laziness. I've been thinking about that shit. Yeah, I'm finna start working on my shit a little bit. Feel me? Start showing y'all. So yeah, today a start. So right now, what I gotta do? I'm finna go get my shit clean. Feel me? I got a lot of stuff to do today. So I would hand wash it, but I'm finna go to the car wash place, get my shit clean. Woo! That shit sounds good as fuck, bro. That shit sound good, boy. Back at the crib with it, feel me? Had to make a couple stops, get some food and shit like that. But yeah, so I'm trying to start this process right now. Okay, little disclaimer. This is not a how-to video. Nigga, I'm learning how to do this shit. So like, this shit finna be hella choppy. It's finna be hella like clips and shit like that. Because I have to watch the video along as I'm doing it. Because nigga memory ain't that good, you feel me? So yeah, so rock with me. Vibe. I'm gonna show y'all on the process. I'm gonna try to give a little steps here and there of what I'm doing, but like I said, it's not a how-to video. I'm watching this dude. I'm gonna link his channel below, and I'm gonna show his shit on the screen. Yeah, so if you want a real how-to, go watch his shit, but watch my shit first. So first step I did, plugged in the little cigarette lighter thing inside the armrest. As you can see, it's right there. I don't really know how the dude in the video did it, but I'm doing it best as I can. Those three are for the lights that are going on the dash, and there were two longer ones I put under the seats on both sides. So this is the driver door side. I'm gonna tuck all this excessive cord inside of this right here. I don't know if you can see it goes inside of there. So boom, put the cord through here, on the bottom of this. Had it come through here, through this little crease. I left a lot of slack just in case, you feel me? So it can close into the door, and you know, and nothing won't be getting pulled or nothing won't break or anything. So now I'm starting over here on the door, putting a little, I don't even know what this is called, but you know, I'm guessing putting a light inside the door. I'm set my camera up. I'm trying, man. It's hot. I got this beanie on. I do not want to take this bitch off, boy. Like I said, boy, I ain't been doing nothing but making cheddar, playing Marvel Rivals, start hitting the gym a little bit, you feel me? But I ain't got no cut, got my braids. Oh my God, chill. Chill off me. I wasn't even supposed to show y'all that, but I did that for y'all though. Feel me? Let y'all know this shit real. Feel me? But yeah, I'm over here in the dough. Alright, y'all. I gotta get back to watching this video. I don't know what the fuck I do at this part. Okay, so I got it in the door as best as I can. What I seen him do was very smart. He tied the little connector with a zip tie. I did the same thing. So there's little black holes inside the door. I know what that is. I don't know if I left a little too much slack in here, but I did the best I can, man. It's my first time. Next time I'll probably do better. But yeah, this is my little door setup. Now I'm gonna do it on the passenger side. So on this side, see I got the cord right there. Feel me? Under the seat, through the side of the door, just like the other side. I'm guessing that is just gonna be like the same thing. The way I connect it.
I didn't understand that.
Siri, shut your ass up. Okay. So yeah, guess it's gonna be the same thing. I won't respond to that. Hold on. Let's see. Damn, bro. All up in my business. I didn't even call your name, bro. Damn, bro. Alright. So yeah, I'm guessing I'm gonna do it the same way. Yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I got this door finished. So, I did both of the sides. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if it's too bright outside, but it's kind of throwing me that, like, you feel me? Like, you can see how like it's like dark down there. You see how more of the light, and up here can't really see nothing. It's kind of throwing me. It's kind of doing the same thing on that side. I don't know if I did anything wrong. I followed all the steps, or maybe it's just too bright. I don't know. So now I'm working on the middle console, or the middle lighting, or whatever you want to call it. I just want to trust the process and hope that, you know, at nighttime it looks better here. You know, I'm not gonna lie, it's a little tight in here. So, feel me? I had to use this tool that it came with. You know, create a little space in here. All right, y'all. So I'm showing y'all the finished product. So you got it here in the door. Well, I gotta cut that off. Feel me? It's in the door. It looks a little straight around there. I don't know if I need to fix that or not, but it's working. Feel me? See the lights going all around there. Lights inside the middle console. And lights on the side. It's gonna look way better at night. I'm just trying to show y'all the finished product. I did the best I can. This is basically like the best we're gonna get for now until it's nighttime. It's gonna look real good. Then I cut these ends off. Yeah, it looks real good, dude. All right, so y'all, right now, you feel me? As you can see, we got the roof put back up. It's just all about putting all of these, I don't know what to call this shit, all of these fucking gadgets and shit back up to hold the roof properly. And then after that, we gotta snip this shit. So
Okay.
alright, y'all, so that's it for the video. You feel me? We did the starlights and we did the strip lights in the interior. As that shit took me 2 days. I ain't gonna lie, that shit was a process and it still came out ghetto. It's my first time doing this shit, so yeah, it was a little messed up, but yeah, next time I'm gonna do way better. Next time, because I know what I was supposed to do, what I did wrong. Feel me? So the next video I'm gonna do a how-to, because obviously I'm not gonna how-to my shit the first time when I'm watching the how-to video while I'm doing it. So yeah, man, that's it for right now. Alright, y'all boys, I'll catch y'all on the next one.
I'm not gonna kiss goodbye.
No.